When it comes to heavy-duty agricultural machinery, the difference between smooth operation and costly downtime often comes down to a single component. One such crucial part is the fuel injection pump. 0445020195, 580-148, 6599, compatible with new Holland CR series combines, including CR 6.80, CR 6.90, CR 7.90, CR 8.90, CR 9.90, and CR 10.90. This pump is designed to maintain optimal engine performance and ensure these powerful machines deliver consistently, even under the toughest conditions. At first glance, a fuel injection pump might not seem like the most exciting piece of equipment. But its role is critical. It precisely regulates fuel flow and timing for the engine's combustion process. Diesel engines rely on accurate fuel injection to operate efficiently, and the pump is responsible for making sure the right amount of fuel reaches the engine at exactly the right time. Any deviation in timing or pressure can result in reduced performance, increased fuel consumption, and even long-term damage. For high-capacity combines, such as the CR 9.90 or CR 10.90, reliability is non-negotiable. These machines are expected to run for hours on end, often in challenging conditions like uneven terrain, high-dust environments, or extreme temperatures. The fuel injection pump 0445020195, 580-148, 6599 is engineered to handle these challenges while maintaining precise fuel delivery. That level of durability ensures operators experience minimal downtime, which is critical during peak harvest periods when every hour counts. One of the standout features of this pump is its wide compatibility across multiple New Holland CR series models. Whether operating a mid-sized CR 6.80 or the larger CR 10.90, this pump fits seamlessly, making it easier to maintain and replace across different machines. This versatility reduces the need to stock multiple parts for different models, saving time and simplifying maintenance operations. Precision engineering is at the core of this pump's design. Every component is manufactured with exacting tolerances, allowing it to function under high-pressure conditions without compromising accuracy. That precision ensures smooth engine operation, better fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. In a diesel engine, even minor inconsistencies in fuel delivery can lead to incomplete combustion, so having a reliable pump is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Durability is another key advantage. Agricultural machinery operates in harsh environments where dust, moisture, and extreme temperatures are the norm. This fuel injection pump is built to withstand such conditions without performance degradation. The materials used and the overall construction are designed for long-term reliability, reducing the risk of unexpected failures during critical work periods. For operators, that translates to more consistent performance and fewer costly repairs. Efficiency is also a major consideration. Diesel fuel is one of the largest operational costs in large agricultural operations, and this pump is calibrated to deliver fuel with maximum efficiency by providing precise fuel flow and timing. It helps minimize wastage, improves fuel economy, and ensures that the engine runs cleanly. Over time, that efficiency translates into significant cost savings, making it a smart investment for anyone operating New Holland combines. Compared to generic or low-quality alternatives, this pump stands out due to its OEM-level standards. Cheaper options may appear functional initially, but they often lack the precision, reliability, and durability needed for high-performance machinery. Using a substandard pump can lead to engine inefficiencies, increased wear, and unexpected breakdowns. In contrast, the 0445020195, 580-148, 6599 ensures consistent, reliable performance, protecting both the engine and the investment in the machine itself. Installation and maintenance are straightforward thanks to its compatibility with OEM specifications. This reduces the risk of errors during installation and allows for easier servicing. Technicians can quickly diagnose issues, perform repairs, or replace the pump without needing special modifications, saving both time and labor costs. From a technical standpoint, the pump operates under incredibly high pressures, delivering fuel in a precise sequence for each engine cylinder. The accuracy of each injection event is critical for the engine to perform efficiently. In high-capacity combines, the engine may cycle thousands of times per minute, and consistent fuel delivery is essential to